Alright mga paps, blow buckets tayo. Ideally sa kotse or truck yan, SUV, but pwede naman sa motor. So we start with the battery. So as you can see, nag-start tayo. So we get the lights. So we have to check on our lights. That's the headlight right there. Meron naman tayong mini driving light. High. Tapos meron din tayong yan, laser gun. So lights. Tapos mini driving light. Yan. There we got turn signals. Yan. So in this case, hazard na lang para largo na. So may hazard tayo, may lights tayo. And of course, for obvious reasons, meron tayong oil. Na-check ko na 1 liter. Yan. Water, wala tayong water. W, wala tayong water. Then we have to check on the brakes. So eto, front brake tayo. Yan na. Rear brake tayo. Yan na naman. Yan. Brakes. Tapos air. Air at saka tires nandito na. Tapos engine, wala namang leaks. Hindi ko makapa kasi mainit yan. Tapos tires, yan, naka-check na din tayo sa tires natin. Good naman yung tires natin. Wala namang mga pinch flats. Tapos self, yun lang. Di pa pwede yung rider kasi I need to have my eyes operated pa. It's a long time coming, so it would take me another week, basic 2 weeks lahat bago pwede mag-ride, long ride rather. Ginagawa ko dito lang ako sa unahan tapos pabalik. Napaka-boring ng life ko, but pwede rin malibot, whole block, wala namang masyadong traffic talaga. So yeah, blow buckets. Yan. Sana yan, blow buckets. B, that stands for, ano yung B? Battery. L for lights. O for oil. W supposedly water. B for brakes. A for air. Tapos yan. Tires, kompleto. Lahat. So I guess yun lang po. Blow buckets tayo. So yeah, basically ready na yung motor. Rider na lang kulang. Kalimutan ko tuloy yung blow buckets ko. Yan. Gas, full tank of course. G is gas. So naka full tank tayo kanina. So battery, lights, oil, water, brakes, tapos air, tapos gas, tapos engine, tapos tire, and then self. That's blow buckets. Yun. Hindi pwede walang mandatory bomba. Yan. Okay na siguro to. Pwede na. Blow buckets time mga paps. Ilan ba yung kuryente natin by the way? Yun, current pala. Ilan yung kuryente para sigurado 14 point, ano yun? 4.9 amperes, 14.3. Okay lang. Yan. So I guess we're all set then. Yeah. Protektado na tayo lahat. Crash guard by Otoy, skid plate by Dirt Bike, skid plate Moto, laser gun, mini driving light, love sight headlight, Lux Pro mini driving light. TDD ba to? Kalimutan ko yung brand itong laser gun na to. Tapos all LED lights, tail light, brake light, plate light, yan, dash lights, daming lights eh. Kailangan yan. Foldable mirrors din. Motaro ba to? Or anong brand ba to? Basta Ducati type side mirrors. So yun. Ready. So yeah, Sniper 150 pala yung rear footrest. Pinakita ko sa dating video na yun na lagyan lang ng dito ilagay. Yan o. Yung brake switch na yan. Yan lang ilagay. Okay. Again. Oh, yan o. Brake switch. Yan. Okay. Mandatory bomba na naman, be. Na-miss ko talaga. Yan, naka-advanced full wave tayo. Kaya malakas kuryente. Battery operated of course. Naka power up line tayo, meaning lahat ng accessories nakadaan na po ng relay. Tapos ito pa, yeah, iwasa battery lang. Yun lang. Yeah. Okay, ingat po kayo mga paps, mga pogi, mga idol.